Okay, let's dive into the story of one of Prague's most talked about buildings, the Dancing House.
We're going to unpack the incredible story behind its totally unique and controversial design.
Because this is way more than just architecture. It's a real piece of living history.
The story starts right here, on a site left empty by a U.S. bombing raid back in 1945.
The whole idea just started with a conversation between two neighbors in the 1980s.
After the Velvet Revolution, Havel became president, and suddenly, this dream could become reality.
So Malunich teamed up with world-famous architect Frank Gehry to really bring it to life. Their big idea was a yin and yang concept, symbolizing the country's huge political transition.
That sense of movement and partnership earned it the perfect nickname, Ginger and Fred.
And get this, a Dutch bank came in with a nearly unlimited budget for the design.
It's a world-famous example of deconstructivism, a style that just throws out the old rulebook. But here's the thing, while it looks random, the engineering behind it is anything but.
The engineers faced a huge puzzle. For instance, none of the support columns actually line up.
And right at the very top, you've got this wild, twisted metal structure they call Medusa.
That asymmetrical outside means the inside is just as unique. Seriously, no two floors are the same.
Today, it's a buzzing destination with a hotel, a restaurant, and a fantastic glass bar.
And that rooftop terrace? It has absolutely stunning views of the river and Prague Castle.
But the really big story here is how this one building changed its entire neighborhood.
It was literally the spark that revitalized the whole Prague riverfront.
See these old vaults in the river wall? They used to be for ice storage, but got a total makeover.
And that makeover involved some pretty mind-blowing engineering. We're talking 2.5 tons.
That's the weight of each of those massive pivoting windows, some of the largest in the world.
Thanks to that spark, the area is now one of Prague's most vibrant cultural hubs.
So it went from being a symbol of democracy to a spark for huge urban renewal.
It just shows you architecture doesn't just reflect history, it can actually help shape it.